If you're dreaming of a high-performance gaming rig but don't know where to start, then it's time to consider building your own gaming PC. Imagine pressing power on, and your gaming PC springs to life in seconds. Sound like a dream? Well, it's totally achievable with the right components and a little guidance. Whether it's choosing the right motherboard or installing a high-end graphics card, professional gaming PC assembly services can help you build the ultimate machine. Why struggle with DIY tutorials that leave you more confused than when you started? Our team of experts can guide you through enhancing your PC's performance, installing liquid cooling systems, and optimizing your setup for a smoother, faster gaming experience. Upgrades like SSD installations or increased RAM can make a massive difference in gaming performance. And the best part? You don't have to be a tech guru to build a powerful gaming PC. Leave the technical stuff to us and just enjoy the immersive gaming experience. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless gameplay. Don't let a sluggish PC hold you back from your gaming potential. Contact us today and step into a world of high-performance gaming.